Welcome back, dear friends. Today I have something special to share with you. This stunning handmade bracelet. It features vibrant red crystals framed with golden seed beads, creating twin hearts. That's both elegant and eye-catching. Whether you wear it casually or for a special occasion, this bracelet is sure to stand out. Don't worry if you are a beginner. I'll guide you step by step so you can make your own bracelet at home. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here I have picked 7 seed beads and one part of the magnetic clasp. Go through everything once again. Secure with a couple of knots. Looks like one seed bead has gone inside the hole of the clasp, but don't worry. Go through the clasp and 3 seed beads. Now I will add 1 seed bead because we want 7 seed bead, but 1 seed bead has gone inside the clasp, so I am adding 1 seed bead over here. Now go through again and exit from the 1 seed bead that we had added later, this one. Here I have picked 1 black, 2 gold and 1 black. Go through 1 black, add 1 gold, go through the next gold, add another gold, go through 1 gold. This is the third gold, go through 1 black. You can skip the center seed bead or you can go through it. And now go through 1 black and 3 gold. Like this. Now I am going to pick 4 gold. The pattern is the same as the previous unit. The only thing is that in this unit we have all gold. And this is another way. You can go through 2 seed bead first, add 1 gold, add the second gold, skip the center, go through the next gold, and now add the third gold and go through 2 seed bead like this. So we have the second unit. You can cut the tail at this point. Oops, the magnetic clasp. Now I am going to make the third unit. 1 gold, 2 black, 1 gold. Go through 2 seed bead. Here add 1 black. Add one gold over here. Skip the center, go through the next gold. Add one gold over here. Now go through 3 black. And now I'm going to go through the next black also. So we have gone through 3 blacks and 1 gold. Now it's time to add the crystal. Go through this popping out gold in the center unit. One more crystal. Going through the gold. Now I'm going to pick 8 gold. And go through this gold on the other side. Go back through 4 gold. Pull the thread tight. We don't want any space in between the beads, and add 1 gold in the center and go through 4 gold. Again go through this gold seed bead. And see how the heart has formed. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Go through 3 black, 1 gold. Add 2 crystals over here, one by one. Pick 8 gold. And go through 1 seed bead on the other side. Go through 4 seed bead. Pull tight. Add 1 gold in the center. Always remember to pull it tight because we don't want any space in between these seed beads. Add 1 gold in the center and go through 4 seed bead. Go through this gold once again. So now we have 2 hearts. Go through the 3 blacks once again. One gold and 1 crystal, like this. Now we are going to add 1 gold in between the 2 crystals. Go through the crystal and 1 seed bead, gold seed bead. Now go to the other side and add that 1 gold seed bead in between the 2 red crystals. Now go through 2 black. So we have completed 1 unit. Now for the next unit, 1 black, 2 gold, 1 black. We are repeating the process. Go through 2 seed bead, 1 black, 1 gold. Add 1 gold over here. One gold over here. Skip the next black and go through the next. And this is the third gold. Go through 2 seed bead. So this was the first unit which we have made over here. Now make 2 more units, 1 full gold and 1 half gold and half black, and then make the 2 hearts with crystals. So we have completed 2 units and continue like this. I have made a total of 11 units. And now it's time to add the clasp. I have picked 4 seed beads, 1 portion of the clasp and 3 seed bead, because I know that 1 seed bead is going to go inside the clasp because the hole is slightly bigger, and 1 seed bead will go through it. So if you don't have a clasp which has a big hole, then you can pick 3 seed bead, 1 clasp and 3 seed bead, or in any other way you like. So just go around through the loop where we have added the clasp, and then you can secure with some knots. And now go through a few more beads. And this way we will complete the bracelet. Now finally trim the tail. And that's it. Your handmade bracelet is ready. Thank you for spending time with me today. I'd love to hear what you think about this bracelet in the comments below. I hope you had fun making it with me. If you liked this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beading projects. Until next time, bye bye and happy crafting!